Hello, I'm sharing how I made this logo trophy using a scroll saw. This project was made using 1/2" MDF, so print out your logo and attach it to the MDF using a light stick spray adhesive. And then drill a few pilot holes. If you've got interior letters, you want to cut them first. And I know this looks super slow, but it's actually super fast right now. Just follow the line of your printout and cut out the letters. This logo I was working on, the Home Depot logo, actually has a bit of a shell, so this was the frame portion. The process is the same to cut the itty bitty pieces, so you just attach your printout to the MDF and then follow the line. I usually cut a straight line first, if there are any straight portions, and then the curved portion. Make sure you turn off any dust collection for this process because you don't want those itty bitties to get sucked up. This logo happened to have the teeniest, tiniest scroll I've done yet, the tiny little trademark R. Once all the pieces are cut, then you're ready to paint. I tend to use trays to keep all the pieces straight. The background was painted, and once it was dry, then I started adding the little pieces using DAP Rapid Fuse. For more details on this project, click the website link down below.